Alpinestars was founded in 1963 and from the very beginning has been a pioneer in motocross technology, introducing the first proper motocross boots and many other innovations since. But in recent years, the ties with the Motocross World Series have got ever stronger. We formalised technical partnership with Ustream in the 2014 season, and despite many years of involvement at top level in the championship with the best riders in the Grand Prix World Championship, the opportunity to strengthen links, to make the brand more presented, particularly in the paddock, has proved valuable to us. We've brought an awful lot of guests to the MXGP rounds last season, and we'll be looking to do that again in 2015. The Racing Service Department with the technicians at the track play a vital part in the whole process, because they are the ones working directly with the athletes, trying new products, new concepts, and they feed back to the racing department after every test and every race with an extremely full report detailing all of the different discussions and outcomes on new products and existing products, so that the pace of technology is just as high as any racing team developing a bike or indeed riders developing their skills. Now the Tech 10 boot is the pinnacle of technology in motocross footwear. It features patented ankle brace technology. The design and the build of the boot is entirely unique, and riders like Jeffrey and Ryan are using that to great success. And the technology is always in development. We use the top level of motocross and supercross in the United States to make sure that we are continually looking to push the limits of the technology that we have. So working with the top riders in the world is enormously important. We do the same with our body protection. All of our top riders are wearing body protection now under their jerseys, particularly the A8 family of protectors. Similarly, knee brace technology and of course the bionic neck support, which is vital to many riders and has saved a number of riders potentially from serious injury. The product department have the backup of a fully equipped laboratory in-house within Alpinestars, and they carry out a very wide range of testing, both material performance testing, strength testing, durability, performance testing, and many other industry requirements such as chemical compliance testing, environmental testing, just to make sure that the product is suitable for the athletes themselves on the racetrack and for the end user out in the marketplace. Alpinestars is synonymous with motocross apparel. Justin Barsha, Eli Tomac, Jeffrey Hurling's all wearing the latest designs that we produce, and in many cases particular designs for certain races. So that's become an ever-increasing part of the portfolio from Alpinestars, but fundamentally boots has remained the core of our offer in motocross and off-road racing. So the opportunity to be a bigger part of the sport has really built our visibility through activation, and I think going forward we'll find that people respond ever more strongly to the initiatives that we're bringing to the sport and some of the more visible activities we're doing, quite apart from all the technology which has been ever present in motocross, but is still a fundamental part of the way we go about racing.